This product adopts flexible LCD menu control, supporting mixed use of the ABC3 groups of flashes using ITTL, manual, or SuperSync flash mode, can be adjusted the exposure compensation or flash output of each group. In addition, it supports setting different focal length, zoom, of the 3 groups of flash. The remote control distance can reach 100 m, supporting 7 wireless channels and ABC3 groups, and equipped with the AF-Assist beam emitter. Support USB firmware upgrade. LCD screen display, multi-buttons quick operation. The firmware can be upgraded through the USB interface. It features YN622NTX-ITTL wireless flash controller is for supporting the use of YN622N-ITTL wireless flash trigger transceiver. Supporting mixed use of the ABC3 groups of flashes with ITTL, manual flash, or SuperSync flash mode. LCD screen display, multi-buttons quick operation. Shutter sync, first curtain sync, second curtain sync and FP high-speed sync. The highest sync speed is 1/8000th. When you prepare to upgrade YN622NTX first time, please download the driver and software pack.